Avast, ye scallywags!
Back in the kitchen again. I want to show you guys a really quick fix meal for when your time is limited. Shown to me by a good friend of mine, Donovan Kima, also the owner of the Grid and Grill pub and restaurant in Rhinefield, Benoni. Besides all the other good food on offer there, they undoubtedly serve one of the best steaks on the East Rand. As a South African, I'm sure most of you have attempted cooking with tenderized steak, whether in the pan or on the fire. The flank steak has very long muscle fibers, making it really chewy, as if you were trying to eat through a wet flip-flop. So this simple trick which I'm about to show you still blows my mind, making this tough cut really soft. Ingredients for this one, really simple. We have cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, white wheat flour, a piece of tenderized steak, a plastic bag, olive oil for the pan. Now I use paprika and cayenne pepper in just about every meal I cook. Now you can cook the steak as whole if you prefer, with the method I'll show you shortly. Me myself, I prefer cutting it up into strips. Okay, so now I'm going to take the plastic bag. I'm going to put all our ingredients in. So we'll start with the white wheat flour, the salt, the paprika, and the cayenne pepper. Just give it a little bit of a shake to get all mixed up together. Get an even mix going in there. Okay, now we're going to add our strips of steak. Just get it all in there. Hold the end. Just shake it around. You want to just get all those strips coated with the flour and all the spice. And obviously the amount of flour you use will go to the amount of meat you use. You just have to figure that out. Yeah, for this one piece I used about a cup of white wheat flour. Well, that's it. Once you've got it all mixed through and all the strips look evenly coated, just let it sit for about 8 to 10 minutes before you get it on the pan. So we're going to add a bit of olive oil to the pan. Once you've added your olive oil, you just want to get the pan to a medium heat, and we can start adding the steaks. A really good non-stick pan will also make a huge difference here. So we're just going to go ahead and drop in all the pieces. Okay, now you only want to cook this between 3 and 5 minutes until a nice golden brown color. And that's it, done, simple as that. Now you top this off with some skinny fries and a nice green salad, or even just these strips on top of a green salad. It's an awesome little meal and it's so quick. I mean, look at that. Just breaks apart. 3 to 5 minutes, and look at that. This has become one of my favorite quick fix meals, as simple as it is, and I make it rather often. This one is definitely worth a try. You'll be amazed at what the flour does to the steak. Cheers.